Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about conkers or horse chestnuts. So firstly, let me tell you, they are not edible, so you can't eat them. But I was wondering what else I can do. When I was little, we used to do conkers animals. They make a really nice decoration, so this is some DIY project for you and your kids. And I was recently reading something, and I came across people are doing laundry detergent with it, or I find some recipe for shampoo or also hand wash, and I find it really interesting. And I was thinking, this is like so freaky, this is what I like, and I'm gonna try it myself, so I'm gonna let you know. Here I am, and what I'm doing, I am collecting some conkers, and what you can do with them. So basically what I had is you can make washing laundry liquid, which is quite interesting. You also can make a shampoo with it and hand wash. So I'm gonna experience and let you know how it goes. And how about you? What do you do with conkers? A word of caution, they are not edible. They are poisonous, so don't eat them, but enjoy their qualities. They contain loads of saponin, that's why they are really good for washing your laundry or washing your hands or your hair. So I went and gathered some conkers. Here I am. So I've got quite plenty. And I want to try everything. I want to try the shampoo, I want to try the hand wash, and also I want to try the laundry detergent. Obviously it's not really for tough stains, it should be for everyday use, and I can't really wait to try it. I gathered a few conkers a couple of days ago, and I wanted to let them dry outside. What a stupid thing it was. I've got loads of squirrels in my garden, and most of the conkers were gone. So I learned my lesson. I kept them in the greenhouse to stop the squirrels stealing my conkers. And I am here outside, so what I'm gonna do, I've got some chopping board, old tea towel, Lanzarote, and I don't know what you call this. We use this for beat meat when we make schnitzels, or you can get a hammer as well. And basically I put the conkers here. I cover them with the tea towel and I mash it up. So let me have a go. Okay, this is what it looks like. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get rid of the skin, the brown skin, and just leave the white bits. And then I think I put it in the food processor to make it even smaller. And this is what I managed to gather so far. It will go to food processor. I'm gonna do it in stages. And here are the shells ready for composting. Look at this, how soapy it is. I rinse my blender just with water to get rid of the tiny bits, and yes, it's so soapy. I can't wait. So these two are going to go to dehydrator, and I'm gonna store it for later usage. And I just put something on the side. I tried the shampoo as well. And then let's enjoy the soapiness. And this is what it looks like from the dehydrator. it's nice and crumbly, so I'm gonna store it in mason jars for future use. Instead of using hammer, I used really sharp knife and cut them into quarters, but you need to be really careful with this. So this is another method to try. This is what I've got so far, and I'm gonna make some more. And since last time I managed to make more of the conkers, so check this out. Can you see at the bottom how nice and sort of white they are? And here I couldn't be bothered about shelling the skin, and it really doesn't matter for the washing your laundry. And I've got one more. So my dehydrator was really busy, and this will keep me going for a really long time. And if you don't want to dry it, what you can do, you can just enjoy it while they are fresh. So you would quarter them, put a couple in your sock, tie it up, and just put straight into washing machine. I think I will try this one as well. And how you actually make the washing detergent. So basically take a mug, whichever you like, put 1 tablespoon of your lovely dry stuff into the mug, and get some warm water and pour it over, let it sit for half an hour, and then strain it through muslin or sieve. And basically what I like to do, I'd like to put it in mason jar and give it a really good shake, and you can see the milky soapiness. And then you put the liquid in your liquid drawer in your washing machine, and let the conkers do their magic. That's it, as simple as that. And obviously this is scent free, so if you like to smell it really nice, use some essential oils which you really love and add it to it, so your laundry will be smelling absolutely wonderful. And here, since last time, I managed to get a book, so this is what the soap will look like. And if you'd like some inspiration, this is a really wonderful one, Knowledge to Forage. And this is from Home is Where My Heart Is, and I really love this family. So if you're looking for some inspiration, check this out. Plenty of recipes and plenty of wildness. I hope you find it useful. Please let me know if you use Conkers for washing up your laundry. This is completely new to me and I am really excited. And here I've got 20 Conkers, coconut milk, and I'm gonna show you in next video how to make your Conkers shampoo. And yeah, why don't you check it out? So I really love creating stuff, trying new stuff, trial error. So come on this journey with me. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe now, share with your friends and family, leave me some comments, spread some love, and stay amazing. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.